So hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss about how we can customize the Shopify Zubbio theme in our store, which is typically used for the furniture store, and you can use it for your own niche and anything you would like for that. For the moment now, we're going to head over to our laptop screen and see how we're going to customize it as they are displaying to us in their demo store as well. So this is our laptop screen in which I just created a brand new store just to show you the way how the things are going to be working, like how to install the Zubbio theme, how to import the demo in our store, and how to add the product, add the collections, each and everything I'm gonna teach you in this video. So this is the theme for a site from where we just like purchase the Shopify theme. This is the Zubio Shopify for basically, which is used for the furniture store, but you can use it for any of your niche you want. So this is the theme with the different section displaying in the description, the optimization, unlimited filters, card options, header and footer variations, etc., etc. But we'll discuss it later on. So let's jump into the main thing. We'll see their demo. We'll see their demo stores as well. They have total number of 3 demo stores. So we're gonna like review all of them one by one, and then finalize which one we are going to import in our store. So yes, these are the stores. The password is 1, as we all know. So let me like resize it to 75%. I actually like to resize all the tabs into 75% because everything looks smaller and we can like see each and everything. So this is the first demo of the Zubbio theme. We have a navigation bar and a lot of buttons here. This is the collection section. This is also another collection section with a big picture in it. And yes, so these are the collections which on hover some kind of animation as well. And yes, this is another section with the 2 types of images, and this is the product section we were talking about. On hover they show the second image of the product. There are some sections, there are the company's logo, and these are the blog section, and then the footer. So this is the first demo of the Shopify Zubbio furniture store. Now head over to the second one. The password remains the same, 1. So this is the second one. No, I think we have to navigate through the menu panel, because this is the second demo. As you can see, it has some kind of a different layout. Seems like similar but a little bit different than before. Yeah, here's the hurry up, time is running out. This is the collection section, which also like to have some kind of effect on hover. So there's another section that seems like same to me, and then product section, which is kind of similar to the last one we have reviewed, and then the feature post, and then the footer. That's it. And this one also have let customer speaks. And now head over to the third one, which also had the same password using 1. So we're gonna navigate to the third demo, which is like displaying like this one. Yeah, these collections are look so good to me. But anyways, you can choose any of them. I'll share the files in the description about the demos, so you can import them into your store and use them. Yeah, as you can see, this is the blurred section, which looks awesome. The same product section, then the company's logo and the footer. So that's it. And this is the menus as well, and I think menus are simple. And between these 3, I mostly like or prefer the first one because I really like their design. And now we're gonna know how to import this. Like after making purchase, you're gonna have a few of files and they'll send it to you, like email to you. These are the files, the documentation, the images, the Zubbio theme, the PSD files, and the other things as well. So now we're gonna review all of them. So this is the like by default theme. You can install it, and these are the demos. We're gonna like import the demo one because we really like the first demo. As I was talking about, the method is same. You can like import the second demo, the third demo you want. So what we have to do, extract the demo folder, then add it to archive, and don't forget to change the format to zip zip file. So now get back to the store, online store, into the theme section. Let me resize the page, and now click on add theme, upload a file. We have to select that file, that demo file that we just created in a zip format. Let me copy the path, paste it here, hit enter, and here is the demo one. Select this and upload the file. So let it install the theme. Then right now this is the current preview of my store that you are seeing and that you are watching right now. So this is the very pretty simple. It seems like very simple to me. The catalog section, there's nothing in the catalog section because we don't have any product yet. This is the contact section as well. And now head over to the it's taking 2 to 3 minutes, I think, and then it's gonna be like installed in a moment, like just now. Yeah, so now we're gonna customize this one. Let's preview this theme as we imported the demo yet. And let me hide the bar. And this is the theme we were talking about. Each and everything is same, like the main section, the hero section, and the collection section, and the blog section. Everything is on the right place. What we have to do, we have to add the media files. You understand what I'm trying to talking about? So these are the media files. We're gonna customize it the same. And let me open up their images that we got in the document in the purchase file. Open up the images folder. We have different kind of images, like the award section in the footer they were displaying, and this is some kind of slider, and these are the product images they were displaying. And now we're gonna go back to our store, and I'm gonna tell you how you guys can download this banner image into your computer or laptop. So this is the way. You have to open up the Google Chrome and right click on the banner and then click on the inspect mode, and into the media file you can download this banner. So there we go, we have the first banner. Now we're gonna try to download the second one. The method is as simple as that. We have to find the media class. Yes, if you somehow into another section, you just have to click on the inspection icon, then click on the banner. It will navigate to you to that class. So this is a media section. Now hover over onto this section. You will open up this image and you can download it easily. Now get back to our store, and it still isn't refreshing. So let me refresh it. So here we go. Now we're gonna install, add our media files, and by using the inspect tool, I'm selecting the banner, and now I'm gonna add those two Zubio banners which we have downloaded right now. So these are just about uploading. So we're gonna select the first one now, and now it's done. Go back and select the second slide. We're gonna have to add the second image as well. So these are the banner section. Our banner section has been completed. You can change the text as well by reviewing this section. I'm just try to show you each and everything according to the demo. So this is what I'm trying to say. So now this is the collection section we have, and here we go. There you can see some kind of a hover over animation as well. So we also have to add that as well. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can add a media from another site to our Shopify store without saving the file into our laptop. I mean, what does that mean? By using their URL, how you can add their media into our Shopify store. So here we go. We don't these kinds of images isn't included in the purchase file, so make sure to keep this in your mind as well. I was searching for that in this time phrase. So so now get back to this our store, and we need to create the collections. As this is the collection section, we have to like display all the collections in head. This is the by default collection. We're gonna have to change it to the first one, which is named as chair. So I'm gonna rename it to chair and add the theme. For the purpose of to add the theme, what I'm gonna do is copy the URL of that things and add it into our Shopify store content or file section. So this is just about to add in. Now we need to add all of them one by one. We can't do it like in a multiple way, all the copying all the URLs and adding it and doing it once. We always have to do it one by one, as I'm just be like speeding up this section because this is a time taking, but same thing. So I think you're gonna learn it how to do it. So that's why I just speed up the things. And we have this icon and then TV unit. Yeah. And last but not the least, we have shoe racks, I think. Yes, we have the shoe racks, or sorry, wardrobes. So now we have added all the icons into our Shopify store. So as you can see, all of these are already available. We don't need to like save them into our laptop. Then we have to select it again or upload it again to our store. We don't need to have to do that, such kind of things. Now I'm still speeding up this section because we need to create approximately 5 to 9 collections. So that's why this is a dining collection. Now and the next one, there's no duplicate option. I don't know why they deleted that thing from their Shopify stores. The next one is the furniture. Let me select the furniture. You can keep the smart or manual collection type, but I'll keep the manual because smart one asking for some kind of titles which I'm not like isn't ready to do that. I think you guys have the idea about this thing, how this thing is working. So now the next collection will be uh, is okay. So the next collection is a lamp. So I'm adding the photo of that icon image as well. And the next one is true racks. So the collection image as well. And the next one is sofa set. Let me create another collection. This is a time taking things. You have to do it for once and it lasts forever. So you have to be like keep working on the things as accurate as you can. And now the second last is TV units. So add the image, and last but not least, the wardrobes. This is the last collection we have to add. Yes, this. So now we are done with the collection things, and now we have to add all this collection into there. So now you noticed that I kept that same name: the chair, the dining, the furniture, the lamp, the shoe racks, table, and wardrobes. But for the TV units and for one more, I forgot the name. So that's why I have to select them by manually. If you keep the same name, it will automatically selected and start displaying in here. So this section is also done. You can see in the desktop mode how it's gonna be like displaying. And now the next section, which is also a collection section, and in this section we have to add the images, and we need to create 3 more collections as well, which is not going to be a time taking thing, I believe. So but to give you the better way how these things are going to be work, I'm gonna like copy the image address and then uploaded it by using their URL. So this is the second, and this is the last one. These are the total number of collections, may be around about 10 to 12 you have to create, but you can create more than that. This is for the demo purpose, how much they are using. So now we have to like create some collections, collection sofa set. So into the collection section, products, then collection section, create a collection. I'm gonna name this like a collection 1, collection 2, collection 3. I'm not gonna do that, like copying the name from there and adding it in here. It's gonna be like time taking. We can like select it at the end. Yes, the collection 1, hit the save button, select the image, the appropriate image, which one we have downloaded. And one more thing I would like to say, if you have no idea the resolution of the collection image, what you have to do, you have to download that same image from this site as I am downloading, add it to any of like Canva or any way, just to get the details, what resolution in it, and you can delete that, then customize your resolution, then add your own like image as well. So this is how all three images, all three collections has been added, and now we have to replace them to the new one we just created. Yeah, the collection 1, the 2, and the third one, the last one. So this is for the second one. I don't know why the first one is displaying a little bit odd than the other one, but the thing is, when we open up the desktop mode, it looks perfect. Let me show it to you. Yeah, this is the full screen mode, and as you can see, this is displaying as it was displaying in the demo section. And now the next section is great deals on bathrooms. So we're gonna select this. As you can see in this section, they are actually using 2 images, which we can't like copy their image address as well. But I'm gonna give you the way how to download these images as well. The method is as same as the older one. You have to like inspect, go to the media section, media class, not this one. Yes, this media one. So, and now we have to download. Instead of downloading it, we can also be like copy the address and add them and as we did it before. No, this is the image section. You can just go to you can change the text, change the description, etc., etc. It everything depends upon you, how you want it to be, how you want to look it, and how you want to display the things. And this is how to add 2 images in one section. As you can see, now this is displaying as it was displaying in the demo section. Now the next thing, we need to add a product. For the moment now, I'm just adding only one product just to show you, and not about like a bunch of products, because it's gonna be like a time taking, but the method is same, so that's why. Now into the downloads, and here we have the product images as well. So we're gonna copy the path, give it the path, and this is the first image. And one more thing one more thing I'm about to say, that when I was trying to hover on it, it was not displaying the second image because I forgot to give the quantity of this product. So that's why it was already displaying like a sold out product. So that's why it was not displaying the second image on hovering. If you add that quantity, it will automatically show the total number of images in it. So this is the featured collection section. We already done with the with all of these things. Now get back to the featured collection section we were heading toward, and now we have to like see where we can change the collection. So here is this is the Diwali collection. We have to change it. Yes. So now if you know how to add a product automatically into a specific collection, we need to give them specific tags. But the way I am talking about the manual or the smart way. You have to select the smart way, assign a tag to that collection. It will automatically add it into that collection. So this is the thing I was talking about on hovering. It's not like, so this was the thing I was talking about, like on hovering, why the second image isn't displaying. As you can see, you just have to add the quantities. Right now it's displaying like a sold out product, so that's why it's not displaying. So now this is the another section. We have to like download the image as well into the media, the same method we were using in the last few, to downloading last few images. And you, instead of like saving it to your laptop, you can like directly add it to your Shopify store into the content. Yeah, this one right next to the, or right down was the discount tab. Then add it by using URL, then add the file. So this is how you're gonna be like add an image into your Shopify store without like saving it into your own storage. So now this is the first image. You can also add 2 images in this section as well, but in the demo section they were displaying only one, so that's why we are keeping it into one. So now the last but not the least, now this is the second last section in which they are displaying the products that we already have been created. So now I'm gonna assign the collection to this section and now hit the save button. For the blog section, you can like write the blogs. This is not a big deal. You can like do it by yourself as well. Rest of the things were very important, that's why I explained them. And for the blog section, it's not a big deal. You can do it by yourself as well. You can like watch any video how to write a blog, or I believe that this is not a major thing to discuss. You can add the blogs later on. If you want to remove this section, you can remove this section as well. So thank you guys. This is how you can customize the Shopify Zubbio theme, and the complete method how you can import the demo. I'll give the demo in the description section so you can add them later on or into your store and do rest of the things. Thank you so much.